Hi everyone, this is Bright Sparks team by Dan, Fatima, Jannat, Nahar, and Robin. Let's start today's slide. So our today's project is about create a mobile app to help students access and interact with career development tools in one centralized platform securely. In this app, it will be very easy for a student for easy access into career guidelines. Also, it will help students to choose the correct major and career path. We will have some option to practice coding and other stuff too. Let's go to the next slide. Here we can see a comparison between the students who have mentorship and who don't have mentorship. If we compare the first one in community college, the student who don't have mentorship, the rate is 50%. On the other hand, where the students have mentorship, their success rate is up to 93%. It's completely double. So that means the mentorship really does matter. That's how we are trying to build up this app where the student will get proper guidelines according to their interest and their knowledge. Let's go to the next slide. Here we are planning to do the app development where this is the first page. Once we log into the app, you will have a dashboard. There will be resume review option and the appointment option. There will be more option like fun stuff for create the career. There will be career games, career videos, and career match. Next, in this app, we will also have option to schedule appointment for any career advisors to review your resume for mock interview and other stuff. And there will be fun stuff. It's like a game, but you will have option to gain points where you can use that for your exclusive some features like advising or some different stuff. Let me go to the next slide. So here I use one JavaScript code. I was practicing this one in from GitHub. This code I get from my GitHub. First I fork it, then I make a clone and then create this JavaScript code to get a real-time countdown timer. So here I will get exact time with month, hour, second, and minute. So that's my JavaScript code. Let me show you the output. And here is my output. Once I run that code, I get exactly days, hours, minute, and 46 seconds. I have another example. There is, I'm doing HTML. So in this slide, we have also some example about how we use HTML, and there is the output. We create the image with details. That's how we can practice to get the hand-on experience. This feature will be added in our web development app. Let's move on to our next step. There is the app information. In our app, we will have resume review, mock interview, career advisor, and security stuff too. In resume, we'll do step-by-step builder review, and the student will get the feedback regarding to their resume, and they can fix whatever they want. Same as mock interview, they will do the mock interview, whatever they need to improve. The AI or the we will have the advisor, they will give the feedback. Same as career advisor, according to the point student getting by practice, they will have career advisor options and they will fix their thing. And by this, as we are uploading a lot of our personal information, there will be security features also. And okay, let's go to the next slide for our security slides.
For our web application, we'd like to prioritize security and trust from the ground up. Starting with authentication, instead of just letting anyone sign up, we'd like to integrate CUNY first for user login. Ideally, we'd like to implement SCIM for better user provisioning and management, and this would limit login for verified CUNY students and staff that would be able to log into the application. Um, the web application itself should be built with security from the ground up, as mentioned, and by that we would have data at rest, in transit, and in use. Um, these are very important when handling private information and generally how data is managed. Here we have a list of security checklists. Um, Generally, these are best practices for any web application. We can have user education, strict access controls, backup recoveries, um, secure communication between services and components, and web application firewalls. And if we decide to implement machine learning, we would like to have anonymized and curated data for training and general personal, just protection of personal information, as well as opting in, opting out, testing for bias, accuracy, and monitoring components and alarming just to have a better view into the system.
First page of our app we didn't finish yet. So in the first page we have the dashboard including resume review, appointments, and career points. So the career point works like students practicing code and playing games which they can use for their career advisement. Also they can see their upcoming appointments, everything time to time. Here they have option for a schedule. Also they have other recommendation which will help them to build their professional life and career.